Uneven or wobbly tables are a problem in almost every dining area. With the help of flat-tech equalizers, you can stabilize your existing tables, saving you daily setup time and giving you a more professional look and feel that customers will love. Tables fitted with equalizers improve your customer's experience and provide a clean look in your dining room by getting rid of the unsightly napkins and sugar packets that often get shoved under table feet. Using equalizers is as easy as unscrewing the feet on your existing tables and replacing them with compatible screw-on equalizers. Then simply press down on the table and let the equalizers lock into place. Just like that, no more wobbly tables. With such a simple process, you end up saving yourself time while you eliminate customer complaints. Made from high-impact, corrosion-resistant materials, you can use flat-tech equalizers in both indoor and outdoor dining areas. What's more, they're backed by a 2-year warranty. Flat-tech equalizers are a simple, affordable, and extremely effective solution to solve a widespread problem. They were even awarded the world-renowned Kitchen Innovations 2018 Award presented by the National Restaurant Association. If you are looking for new tables that can stabilize automatically, then check out flat-tech's range of self-stabilizing table bases. Make sure the existing tables in your business are always safe and stable by adding equalizers to your tables today.